yesterday was the second race in Austin, Texas at that new track. It was really fun. I went faster than I did the day before. Although there was a red flag on the first lap of the race, one of the kids crashed going into a really, really fast but really tight corner. She flipped over the handlebars. It was pretty bad, so they red flagged the race, and then we restarted from our original positions. Like I said, I went faster than the day before, and I'm also really looking forward to the next race in Jerez. I'll give you an update then. Bye. It's too hot. My tongue is numb. There goes my face, bud.